Let's take a look from Google search. PubMed, BLAST, gene, nucleotide, protein. First, you can see all databases. First one here is what? This result, which is most relevant, genome assembly. Here we can see RefSeq assembly. What RefSeq stands for? It's reference sequence. In more detail. Organism name, biosample project, gene bank assembly, RefSeq assembly accession reference sequence. WGS project is whole genome sequence project. Chromosomes. Even chromosomes. All chromosomes. Okay. So the next one. Let's jump. Now for my biochemistry free. So are you hyped for some enzyme search? Because I am. So let's go. Yay! By diseases. Let's see. We have to wait actually to load the whole data on the website. We are interested in neurodegenerative disease. For example, frontotemporal dementia. Hydrolysis. Let's click on that. Associated proteins. Presenilin 1. Human. It says in human. It's in humans. Wow, look at this. This is protein summary. Here you can see, what is this? Names, actually, all those PubMed and then some. Those digits are actually its accession number of that paper which is published on PubMed. Pathways. This is really dope. This enzyme might be present in 13 pathways. This is really dope. View pathway in rectum. Oh my god. There's even image. Oh, that's dope. It's seriously dope. You can click on it. Oh my god. Oh. It's pathway browser. Wow. Wow. Look at this. Autophagy cell cycle, cell-cell communication. Chromatic. Oh. Search for term. We have actually to click to see. What do we have? Small molecules. It says no cofactors found for this enzyme, no activators found for this enzyme, and no inhibitors found for this enzyme. Okay. Frontotemporal dementia, cardiomyopathy, acne inversa, Alzheimer. Yay, we found Alzheimer disease. And the last one, Uniprot. Uniprot is usually used for proteins. So you can search proteins here. For example, look at this Swiss prot. It's manually annotated and reviewed. Wow. So it's not automatically but manually. Can you imagine it? Isn't that